Hi there, welcome to 1-2-Step. In today's video, I am going to guide you through how to sign up for Wells Fargo bank account. To sign up for Wells Fargo bank account, first you need to go to any web browser. In today's video, I am going to Google. After opening up Google, on the URL bar, type in Wells Fargo. And after typing in Wells Fargo, click on the online banking option. By doing that, you will land on the official webpage of Wells Fargo. And now you can see an option called Enroll Now. Click on that. After clicking on to Enroll Now, you will go to a sign up page where they will ask your social security number and date of birth. If you haven't received your number, click on Help, which should be denoted by the question mark sign. After clicking on there, it will provide you with a number for assistant. Call on that and they will provide you with your social security number. After placing on your social security number and your date of birth, click on Continue. And after clicking Continue, they will ask either your email number or your phone number. It is required to send a verification code to verify whether it is your account or not. And after receiving the verification code, place on the code and you will successfully log in to your Wells account. So that was the process of signing up for Wells Fargo account. If you find this video helpful, then do give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscription button and ring the notification if you wish to get notified of our newest upload. For now, thank you for watching the video.